An adventurer's dream. No matter what you're into, a Lance truck camper is the purpose-built support vehicle you need. They drive like your truck and tow like your truck. Bring your boat, horse trailer, or enclosed trailer along for your adventure. Your passions are an extension of you. Bring your passions to wherever you want to be. Lance towables are designed with our national and state parks in mind. Floor plans from 14 to 24 foot offer a variety of highly maneuverable and towable living spaces to check all 50 states or all of North America off your bucket list. Built with maximized storage space, viewing windows, and quality for long trips and high mileage exploration. Do you crave experience? Follow the road less traveled? Are you tired of trying to get campground reservations? Are your favorite sports off the beaten path? The all-new Lance Enduro is built for you. The additional features and suspension capabilities overlanders want, and the added comforts and quality Lance is known for.